Yeah, I get up, and I may fall right back down the floor, but your love lifts me back to solid ground.
Este ano é mesmo um desafio daqueles que a gente não precisávamos. Estamos aí numa situação de pandemia e, portanto, todo o Lés-a-Lés teve que ser repensado.
What up guys, so despite all odds, here we are, 1,300 of us to ride the 22nd edition of the Lés-a-Lés on-road. A great deal of effort went into making this event a reality. We're taking all precautionary measures, but we're gonna ride from north to south, 1,000 kilometers over the next 3 days in the beautiful, gorgeous landscapes of Portugal. So stick around, because I'm bringing you guys along for the ride.
Let's be renegades, reckless, running through our veins. Let's be renegades, good for nothing, runaways. That girl got her own bag, you know that I like that. She got my heart on her sleeve.
3.5 kilometers, and this is our first stop.
Stick 'em like a hole up, working 'cause we want it, we got it.
And 2 kilometers later, here we are at Porto de Mós, a very gorgeous beach here in the south of Portugal in the city of Lagos.
Let's be renegades, reckless, running through our veins.
Espetacular, paisagem.
Let's be renegades, good for nothing, runaways.
Well guys, that was a fun little prologue. We ended right back here in the city of Lagos. Tomorrow we start heading up north, 255 kilometers up to the city of Évora. Let's hope the weather is on our side. So stick around, because I'm bringing you guys along for the ride.
Yeah, I get up.